Very good morning, children. In today's SST class, we are going to read about the chapter number 12, Changing Times. So write down date, classwork on chapter number 12 and speak affirmation, I am grateful. Affirmation is I am grateful. So children, in this chapter, we are going to read about the story of Chetan Das, how he moved from Pakistan to India. Children, now I will show you map of India. This is the map of India and this is Pakistan. Chetan Das moved from Pakistan to India. Now children, I am going to share one PPT with you to make this chapter more clear.
This is chapter number 12, Changing Times. Here, Chetan Das share few experience with you. It must have over 60 years ago. At that time, there were a lot of problem all around us. Chetan Das family moving from one place to another. They had to leave their village. People were saying that our country was being divided into India and Pakistan. Chetan Das and his family's living place, Sona village. They had been given some land in Sona village. He said that we could build our house there. This is the picture of Chetan Das village. Chetan Das and his family working to build their house. Amma mixed mud and cow dung. Amma used to say that this would keep the insects away. Now, this is the picture of mud houses. Chetan Das' parents built house. Most of the material they used that were locally available. Time passed quickly. We used iron, cement for making house. On the way to Delhi from Sona, we go through Gurgaon. So many high-rise buildings have come up there. Now, in this picture, we can see different helpers. They help us to make pakka houses. For example, electrician, plumber, mason, labor, painter, etc. Now, children, let's revise the chapter with the summary points. First, during partition between India and Pakistan, many people had to leave their houses. Houses are of two types, kacha house and pakka house. Mud helps to keep the house cool in summer and warm in winter. Pakka house is made using baked bricks and cement. Mason builds houses. Plumber lays the pipeline for water in the houses. The electrician lays the wires and helps in putting up fans and bulbs. So children, this is your chapter number 12, Changing Times. Now go through this chapter, mark difficult words and learn it also. This is all about today's class. Thank you so much. Children, now it's reading time. You have to read this chapter very carefully and you have to mark difficult words also. Let's read and have fun.
Hello everybody, I am Alia Tyagi of class 4B. Today I am going to read lesson number 12, Changing Times. I am going to read page number 99 of SST book. Time passed quickly. I finished my studies and got a job. Amma, Baba wanted me to get married. I thought that before I got married, we should repair our house and build one more room. In those days, people in cities were using cement. They said that this made the house stronger. We also thought we would use cement. We used iron and cement for making the roof of the new room. In those days, unbaked bricks were also available in the market. We made the walls with them. The use of bricks was useful. We did not need to coat the walls every week. Once a year, we would whitewash the walls. We also built a small kitchen in the courtyard. The kitchen had a mud chulha and place to keep the vessels. Then I got married and my wife Suman came to our new house to cook. Suman used to sit on the floor in the kitchen. We all used to sit on mats in the kitchen and eat together. It was a happy time. People used to go out to the field for their toilet in those days. Some of the houses have had a separate place for this. We also made a small toilet with unbaked bricks behind the house. Now I will underline the difficult words. First is repair. Second, cement. Then market. Kitchen. Toilet. Together and new. Thank